नमस्कार। आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव का आप सभी का बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। We are celebrating 75 years of independence, the achievements, the inspirations that is led by our freedom fighters, the events that have instigated the freedom movements, the unsung heroes. We are celebrating the unknown events that happened throughout Bharat. And Ghar Tiranga is a campaign which is part of Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, in which we will be hoisting the national flag in every home, in every institution, in every place throughout India, and we will be celebrating it from 13th to 15th August. We are not just celebrating, we are also creating the vision for the 100 years of independence celebration in future. So in this time, I request you all to hoist flag at home, to celebrate the Tiranga with your family, with friends, and I also invite you to join us in our university campus, in the new campus of Makanlal Chaturvedi National University of Journalism and Communication. Join us, let us celebrate. Tiranga is our identity, Tiranga is our recognition, Tiranga is our pride. Jai Hind.